Hi there, and welcome to the Connectoli YouTube channel. Today I'm going to show you 3 easy way how to export out data from Microsoft Power BI into Excel. This is very useful when you want to send your report into someone who does not have Microsoft Power BI license, or if you want to do some more work in Excel with your data. So the first way I wanted to show you today is starting with Microsoft Power BI Desktop. I opened already one of my report, which is a demo company UK profit and loss. And let's see what we can do in here. You cannot really export directly into Excel. You need to export out your data into CSV, which is a comma separated file, but you can open that up in Excel and you will able to work with your data. Let me show you how. So on the visual, you wish to export out, click on the more options, the 3 dots, and just select export data. Give it a name and save it. And once it's saved, you can just open the file in Microsoft Excel. As you can see, I have my raw data in Microsoft Excel. Now I'm able to work with it or send out to anyone who is interested in this. The second option I wanted to show you today is the export option from Microsoft Power BI Online. So you need to publish your report into Microsoft Power BI Online, then you will have the export option on your report and you have the Analyze Excel. I'm gonna click on that one. It will create an Excel file for me and I will have the option to open it in Excel for Web. The first thing you need to do is enable the content. It will be required to load the Microsoft Power BI data. Once it's done, as you can see on the right side, I have all of my tables from Microsoft Power BI and I have an empty pivot table which I can start to build up now. Let me just quickly build up something that is similar to what you've seen in Microsoft Power BI Online. Now, as you can see on my screen, I have a built-up profit and loss report using the data from my Power BI. And the third option to export out data might be something which you want to use when you're trying to send out your report into your client or someone who does not have Power BI license, because this is the option where I can export out this visual exactly on the same way as I have in Microsoft Power BI. Let me just show you this option. Again, on Power BI Online, I'm gonna go for the 3 more options on the visual I wish to export out. I'm gonna click on Export Data. This time I'm gonna have more options which I can use. I'm gonna use the first one, data with current layout, and please don't forget Excel has limitations, which means 150,000 rows max. If you have more rows in your visuals, then you need to filter it, maybe export out in 2 pieces. Then I'm gonna click on the export button. And once the file is generated, I'm just gonna open it with Microsoft Excel. And as you can see, I have the data in Excel on the same way presented as I seen in Microsoft Power BI Online. Thank you very much for watching. I hope you liked this short video. If you liked it, don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel and also follow us in LinkedIn for the latest news. Thank you very much and see you next time.